Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Facebook password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! As a widely used social networking platform, Facebook connects billions of people worldwide. As a result, we frequently choose complicated passwords to secure our accounts and wonder if they will prevent them from being cracked. Unfortunately, on the Facebook applications, we sometimes neglect to log out of our account for a long time, which causes us to forget our password. But don't worry, this video will show you how to check your password on your Facebook account. How to do it so simple. So you can check it from your apps, so you can see, you can check, you can find your Facebook password on your phone settings. So you can just open your settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down. There is an option Google. You can just tap on that. From here, you can just choose for the email that you use for your Facebook account. After that, you can just tap on Password Manager. You can just scroll down, find for facebook.com. Here, you can just tap on that. You can enter your screen lock. Now you can just see here, there is a password and also the email or username of your Facebook account. If you want to see the password, you can just tap on here on the A icon, or you can just copy. So simple, right? So that is how to check your Facebook password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.